Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we're taking a look at a beginner's arrangement of the classic Iron Maiden track Run to the Hills. Now this tune is by far Iron Maiden's most famous track and is one of their most popular, if not their most popular tune, and it features some absolutely iconic guitar playing. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the intro riff is based around that very famous and iconic lead guitar melody. So we're kicking off with the open E played twice, then onto the B string, then we play the B string twice, back to the E string, then we play the first fret of the B, up to the third fret B, the open G. Now, a really cool thing about this melody is if you get a little bit lost with the timing, just follow the vocals. It is following the vocal line, it's following the syllables and the rhythm. So let's just play through that first part of the introduction nice and slowly. Like I said, this is the main melody. We're going... Then we repeat that another 4 times. Go on to the final time. And then we're going to go. And then we're going to jump up to the D5 power chord. And we're going to play that for 2 bars, striking the chord on the beginning of each beat.